Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make USB recovery drive. So as you can see, here's my USB drive. And what we're going to do is we'll go to search menu and type control panel. Once you are in the control panel, make sure you change the view by large icon. And once you are in the large icon, go to recovery. And if you want to create system image, go to backup restore Windows 11. So we'll go now to recovery and create a recovery files. And the other one is open system repair restore, configure system restore. But now we will just choose to create a recovery drive and just click run. And make sure you click the backup system files to the recovery drive and click next. In this part, it may take a little bit longer, like 1 to 3 minutes, depends on your device. In my old laptop, it takes 5 minutes before it go to the next step. So you have to be patient in this part. And after that, you will go here in this part. Just click next, but make sure you choose the right available drive, because maybe sometimes you have two USB drive plugged in your device. So you must choose your drive and click continue. And in this part, it will take 3 hours in my old laptop, but in my PC it only takes 1 hour. So you have to prepare times before you do this, because it will really consume your time. So I suggest you to do it during overnight, since it will really consume your time. And then after that, all you have to do is just click finish. So that's all for today. That's how you create a recovery drive with your USB flash drive. And I hope that you learned something in this video. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.